In an explosive courtroom drama that has remained shrouded in secrecy, Kyle Walker's bitter child maintenance battle with Lauryn Goodman has finally been laid bare. From demands for extravagant luxuries to covert surveillance, the details of their legal feud are as scandalous as they are eye-popping. As the world witnessed the Wagatha Christie trial, a parallel saga of high-stakes legal wrangling quietly unfolded, until now. The spotlight has now turned to a fierce legal showdown involving Manchester City footballer Kyle Walker and influencer Lauryn Goodman. Their 4-year conflict over child support has revealed jaw-dropping demands and an array of scandalous revelations. Walker, earning a hefty £160,000 a week, found himself embroiled in a financial and emotional struggle with Goodman. The case, which has finally been exposed following a rare lift on reporting restrictions, has shown Goodman's relentless pursuit for financial gain. The influencer, who had been seeking lavish expenses including a £2.4 million mansion and a £31,000 AstroTurf lawn for their daughter, was harshly criticized by Judge Edward Hess for her extravagant spending and manipulative tactics. Goodman's legal demands included a £70,000 Mercedes, a £500 a month hot tub, and even a £1,440 monthly cleaner. Her attempts to force Walker to face her in court immediately after the Euro final, and her attempts to spy on him and his wife, painted a picture of a bitter and vengeful ex-Walker's testimony, peppered with sharp criticisms of Goodman's spending habits, revealed a man struggling to balance his financial responsibilities with personal and public scrutiny. The case came to a dramatic close with Walker's character being defended robustly by the judge, who described him as sensible, honest, and reliable in contrast to Goodman's portrayals. The final court session saw Goodman attempting to use the children's needs as a bargaining chip, including demanding bespoke baby gates and designer furniture, which Judge Hess found excessive. As the dust settles on this high-profile child maintenance battle, Kyle Walker hopes to move forward from the scandal that has cast a shadow over his career and personal life. The court's judgment not only exposed Goodman's financial demands but also highlighted Walker's attempts to address his responsibilities fairly. With the judge's ruling in his favor, Walker and his family now seek privacy as they navigate the aftermath of this intense legal battle. The media is urged to respect their personal space, allowing them to focus on their lives away from the glare of public scrutiny.